In this video, I'm going to share with you how to merge cells in Microsoft. I have a spreadsheet that contains information about employees. However, in the titles of the columns, showing it is not reasonable. So, we need to tie some cells together. We will do as follows. First, select the data area that needs cells. Then on the Home app in the toolbar, with others doing the same. Next, I'm going to show you how to put them together in a column. Here I have some sample data. Select the data that you want to merge. Then on the Home tab, select Fill and select Justify. And finally, I'm going to show you how columns work. Here I have company employee list, are located on different columns. If you use the above option, open Exciter and press the checkbox. You will lose data in other areas and only keep the data in the first column. To fix this, you do the following. First, select the dataset that you need to merge. Then on the View tab, select Microphone. Select View Micro. Name the microphone here I'll fill in as Open. Then choose Create. A window will be displayed. Please copy the following code. And paste in this section. I'll share this code below the descriptions. Then, click on the green triangle tooth icon, or you can press F5. Use the above window to return to Excel. You'll see that the key loop cells have been set. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you found today's guide helpful, don't forget to hit like to support the channel and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest and most exciting videos. If you have any questions related to today's content, feel free to leave a comment below or send us an email at contact.dailyhowto@gmail.com. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.